Some people don't drink because they used to have a problem, and that is the only reason I will accept. Yeah, you ever talk to people that don't drink? You ask them why, and then they're just like, I don't know, I don't care for the taste of alcohol. Huh. I didn't know that mattered. You don't like the taste, you say.
You're supposed to taste it. You're supposed
Do
to
you
know
smoke a
we're
lot of
drinking.
pot? Is that what this is about? They're like, oh no, I don't like that either. What do you do?